welcome to another video where today we are going to be making slime. So let's get right into it. I have all my stuff over here. I have bowls and stir sticks and all the stuff I need. So let's get right into it. So first we'll take a bowl and we add 1 ounce of glue. Where's my glue? There it is. And I hope there's 1 ounce in here. I'm just gonna let it kind of drizzle out. Okay, stop. I don't want to overdo it. Okay, we need more. Okay, stop. That's probably about 1 ounce. Okay, so then we add 1/4 cup of water. I have my water right here. I'm measuring it up. That's probably good. And we put that in. Oh wait, we need to put this in the bowl. Still coming out. Come on, let's go. Okay, that's pretty good. And then we add our 1/4 cup of water. Okay. And then at this point we're gonna add the food coloring. So since we're making slime, we're gonna use green food coloring. There we go, that's probably gonna be very dark, but that's okay. It's still gonna be green, which is what I want. Okay. And then you mix it and kind of lift it. So then we kind of lift it. So it's kind of stuck and gooey, weird. So where do I put this now? I'll put it in. I don't think we need this. Okay. And then we add 1/4 cup of borax. So I have my borax. Okay, how do you open this? Oh, to open this here. This is new. So I think I'm pressing there. Wow. Why is this so hard? Apparently I don't know how to open a box of borax. So I'm just gonna do it forcefully. Open! Oh, that worked. Well, it's working. has to open. There we go. Okay. Ooh. Now maybe a little bit more. Okay. Then we add this to the solution. Like stuck to the bottom. Oh. Okay, that's probably as good as it's gonna get. And then oh, it's definitely getting slimy. Oh gosh. I mean, it's not as green as I wanted it to be, but it's like it's stuck on the sides. Okay. Excuse me. Why is it all stuck to the bottom? That's kind of annoying. So I guess I'll just try and scrape it off. But that does not seem to work. Now, my least favorite part. I'm actually going to take my watch off. I hate doing this. Oh my gosh. Oh. I should have got a towel. Whoa, don't explode. It's so weird, I kind of hate it. But it's kind of fun at the same time. I mostly hate it. So, we got slime. Even though it's kind of like clay, but it's still slime. You pull it, squeeze it together. But I'm happy with what we made. But now I need to go get a towel. Okay. Now I got all that off me. Now I'm not touching it again. So that's how you make slime, guys. You can store it in the fridge in a plastic bag so it doesn't get moldy, you know. It already kind of feels moldy. But that's fine. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye!